Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon vinaigrette dressing. First, gather your ingredients: 2 fresh lemons, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple combination creates a vibrant and versatile dressing. Start by juicing your fresh lemons. You'll want about 1/4 cup of juice for this recipe. In a bowl, combine the fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients vigorously for about 30 seconds. This initial mix helps to dissolve the salt and pepper, creating a flavorful base for your dressing. Now for the key step. Slowly add 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle it in a thin, steady stream while continuously whisking the mixture. This slow addition and constant whisking are crucial for creating a stable emulsion, preventing the oil and lemon juice from separating. Keep whisking until the dressing is thick and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Once your vinaigrette is perfectly emulsified, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to give it a good shake before each use, as some natural separation can occur. This dressing is fantastic on salads, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.